Intra-state sales invoice will be having two types of GST. One is SGST, another one is CGST. Interstate sales invoice will be having one type of GST, that is IGST. Hi friends, in the last video we have done all the groundwork for the GST installation in Tally. That is, we enabled GST, we have set up our GST, we have configured tax rates and HSN codes and added GST details to our customer and supplier ledgers. Today we are going to create real GST sales invoices, and you will see Tally automatically calculate CGST, SGST and IGST. Today we will cover two scenarios. One is selling to a customer in the same state, that is intra-state sales. Another one is selling to a customer in a different state or other state, that is IGST sales. That is second scenario. Friends, today let us get into the practicals now. Before that, let us know something about the tax, that is GST. First thing, if you are selling to a customer in the same state as your business is, so Tally will split the GST into two equal halves. That is one CGST, which goes to the central government, and second one is SGST, which goes to the state government. And second one is, if you are selling to a customer in a different state, other state, the full GST amount is charged as IGST, that is integrated GST, which goes to the central government and gets settled between the states. Now let us get into the practicals. Go to vouchers, press enter, change it to sales, press F8. Now the sales type has been changed to sales, and party name I will select Sridevi Sales, that is intra-state customer. In the last video we have created it. Press enter, and if you have any details over here you can fill it up, otherwise come down, and here the customer details, if you want to update it you can do it or come down. Here the sales ledger has to be created. We don't have any ledger here, so go to create, press enter, type sales account, press enter, and always the sales account should be grouped under sales account. Press enter and press Ctrl A. Now press spacebar. Now select Samsung item. This item we have created in the previous video. Press enter. Here tracking number not applicable. Quantity 2 I will type, and rate 85,000 I will type. Press enter. The total amount it is automatically giving it, and press enter, and let it be as it is. Come down, and here press space bar. See here ledgers, whatever we have created it is there. Sales account is there. Now we have to select SGST. So we have to create it. Go to create, press enter, and here type SGST. Press enter. Here the group you have to select duties and taxes. Always the tax should be grouped under duties and taxes. Press enter and select here type of duty GST. Here tax type you have to select SGST. and press Ctrl A. See, automatically the SGST amount appeared, and press enter. Now we have to select CGST. Press spacebar. Here the ledgers what we have already it will display. CGST we do not have. Let us create it. Go to create. Press enter. Here you type CGST. Press enter. Grouped under duties and taxes. Press enter. Here select GST. Press enter. Tax type you select CGST. Press enter. Press Ctrl A. See, automatically the CGST amount appeared. Press enter. Come down, and if you have these details you can fill it up according to your business, and press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter to accept this. Once you enter this, the sales invoice will be saved. Now the sales invoice has been saved. Friends, now let us create the second invoice with IGST. For that we need interstate customer. So let us create one customer here. Go to create. Press enter. Type Mumbai Mobile Hub. Press enter. Here you have to group under sundry debtors. Always the customer should be grouped under sundry debtors. Press enter. Press enter. Here you have to type customer address. Here we have to select Maharashtra. We have to be very careful here, and pin code if you have you can type, and provide bank details of the customer if you have, and PAN number also you can enter it. Registration type keep it regular, and GST number enter it properly. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter to accept this. And if you have any details over here, you can enter it. Press enter. Here also you can update it, or if you want any changes you can do it. Now you have to select sales account. Press enter. Press space bar to select the item over here. Select Samsung mobile. Press enter. Here tracking number not applicable. Quantity I will type 2. Press enter. Same 85,000 I will keep it. Press enter. Press enter. Keep it as it is. Come down. Here press space bar. We have to select IGST here because it is the interstate sales. So let us see. Before that, let us select CGST. What happens? See, the tax amount is 0 because the customer is interstate. The state we have mentioned in the customer ledger creation. That's why it is not taking CGST. Come back. Now let us create IGST. Go to create. Press enter. Type IGST. Press enter. Here you select group duties and taxes. Press enter. Type of duty select GST. Here IGST. Type of tax select IGST. And press Ctrl A. See, the moment you Select the IGST, it is calculating the tax. Press enter. Press enter. And if you have all these details, you can enter it. Press enter. Press enter and accept it by pressing enter. Now we have saved 2 sales invoices. Let us go back by pressing page up key. If you press page up key, you can see the previous invoice. Go to print, select preview, and go to zoom. This is the invoice format, GST invoice format Tally is giving us automatically. You need not make any format for GST invoice. And press escape, it will come back to normal size. This is the invoice format. Come back to gateway of Tally by pressing escape key. Friends, quick information. While creating customer ledger account, we have to feed the proper information and we have to set up all the tax details properly. And second things, while creating stock item, we have to set up all the tax structure properly. So if we set up these two things properly, we will get the GST invoices very clear and very proper. Friends, your task today is create one intra-state and one interstate GST invoice and compare the tax breakup on both the invoices and check the print preview for each invoices. And if you have any doubt, any clarification or any message, so you comment below so that I'll help you troubleshoot. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone studying Tally. In the next video, we will be coming with GST purchase entry and how to claim the input tax credit. This is one of the most valuable thing. So subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.